Hey guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Bitwig Studio for free on your Mac. First, open your web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can use whichever you prefer, Chrome, Safari, or any other browser. Then, head over to the official Bitwig website at bitwig.com. On the home page, look for the Try button at the top right corner of the menu and click it. Next, you'll see download options for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Choose Mac OS and start the download. The installer is around 500 megabytes, so it might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the file has finished downloading, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the bitwigstudio.dmg file. A new window will open. Read the End User License Agreement and click Agree to Continue. Now, drag the Bitwig Studio icon into the Applications folder. This will install the app on your Mac. After the installation is complete, close the pop-up and move the installer to the trash. Next, go to Launchpad or your Applications folder and open Bitwig Studio. The first time you launch it, macOS might show a security warning. Just click Open to continue. Bitwig Studio will then load and ask you to either log in, start a demo, or activate a license. If you don't have a license, you can still use the free demo version, which gives you access to all features, but with the limitation that you can't save or export projects. It's perfect for learning and testing the software before purchasing. In my case, I don't have a license, so I'm going to click Run in demo mode. You also have the option to register an account and get a 30-day free trial. And that's it. You've successfully installed Bitwig Studio on your Mac. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.